A good day, everyone. Welcome to the ISHA family, the company who has 35 years of experience in all healing modalities ever on this planet, in LLS, in IT, in everything you can think about, to have a trusted partner for your future LLS practice. Now, today we're going to talk about the fantasy products called 9D, NLS, 18D and 25D. And we will show you how poor this quality of software is and also the hardware. Because those companies do not do any development on hardware or software. They give a bad support, yeah, and it's really a waste of your money. So, hereby a warning why people from 133 countries buy ISHA software. 133 countries, yes, 133 countries. We can show you, yeah, here, 133 countries. Why those people buy the ISHA software to replace their poor software? And also many of them, after replacing the software, also replace the hardware with the high quality multi-devices of ISHA. Our devices support, for example, the Biophilia Hunter from ISHA supports the Biophilia, the Hunter Metapathia, all AD versions and even the 3D version. So 4 systems into one systems. But let's talk about those fantasy systems. 9D, 18D and 25D. I've seen them all. I've heard we get many complaints of those every week. And why? Because the software is bad, not completely developed, the hardware is bad, no developments, no updates, no support, no forum, no. So do not waste your money 2 times. I will show you the 9D version. The 9D version, when you start it up, it's a very poor design, as you see here. Yeah, a very poor design. Now, let's select the card. First course went bad. But now, let's look at analysis. Let's look at the etalons. These are all the etalons which you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 12 or 15 etalons. That's all you have with a 9D system. But that's not all. Remember this, you can watch it back. What's also very poor is the objects of research. Here you will see, if you take the most extended research, scientific research, that you only have 419 objects which will be scanned. Now, you see, we select them all. 419 or 419 subjects. I will not go deeper into it, but if you look at it, it's really a waste of money and a waste of time. And there are a lot of etalons missing. Etalons, which is very important, like the physiotherapy with the universal rehabilitation, the negative words, psychological effects, a lot which you are missing, so it's not wise to buy. Now let's look at the ISHA software, and it doesn't matter, we have different kinds of software. So let's look, for example, at the Virus Expert, the DNA Expert, the Physio Expert, or the Metapathia Hunter, which also is superior to all other brands, all other manufacturers. We even have the Biophilia tracker. But let's look at it. Yeah, what's the difference? Yeah, what do you get? add us. Now you have seen, and you can rewind your video, and now let's look how much this has to offer. So this is the startup screen of our software. Now, this really looks different, as you can see. So let's go inside. Nice, clean design. You select the cards. Let's select the cards. We do the research. Let's do the research, and then you really see the huge differences. So, we have 1001 items, and this is the DNA Expert, and I will show you why it's such a special version, because besides all the body parts, here, almost half, you see here, from here, more than 350 pairs of chromosomes, DNA, DNA, subpairs, RNA, so that's a huge difference, and it's also the scientific mode as in the fantasy product, the 9D, that immature product. Besides that, you also can do multi-line, so if you do not understand the words, you can select the multi-line, so you get a picture of all the elements which are in the system, like this. And you also can look at the icons, so you got a direct through cut. It's not only in the Metapathia GA Hunter, it's also in our software. Now let's look at the results. Very nice, very clean, as you can see, very stable. And now let's look at the eta loss. We did see in the 9D only these. Now look here, how many you have. All healing modalities on this planet, and very important ones, just as teach in the ISHA Apprentice Master Classes, are here in the system. And the list is almost never ending. As you can see, it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. So can you imagine when you have such possibilities that all healing modalities, lab researches, double checkup, quadruple checkup from all sorts of companies integrated in one system, what it can do for you, for usage. You can make all healing remedies ever developed on this planet because they are all in this system. You can do all lab researches, even psychology, psychiatric elements, for example the emotion metrics, you got it. Environmental toxins, you got it. Digestive system, you got it. So whatever you can think about the eyes, you got it. Meridians, you got it. Mystic processes, you got it. Whatever you can think about is here in the system. And all favorite A brands, which can be expensive, you can make them yourself from now on. So this is really huge. Also very expensive ones, like cordyceps from Dr. Yu, who are here in the system. Electrolytes, blood counts, just name it, it's in the system. And it goes on and on and on and on. So, too much to show in this video. Microorganisms, and it's all here. When you want to do and to look at diseases, it's all here with the CSS numbers teach in the Apprentice Master Classes. You can do an NLV analysis, you can do an NLS analysis, whatever you want to do is in the system. You can do an auto scan on all items which give you results. It's in the system. Now, let's look a little bit further, because okay, it's still running, so we have to wait. Yeah, those numbers which you see here represent the stage and development and the history of a disease. You can learn all about it in the apprentice master classes. You can buy them on the web shop and read about it in the forum. 133 countries, people from all over the world are following these classes. But what's also very interesting, in the first column you can look into the future and the stage of development of the disease, so you can also predict the future if you do nothing. All teach in the apprentice master classes. But you see how huge this software is. Yeah? It's just like comparing a Mercedes-Benz with a Volkswagen. Yeah? It's not to be compared. Not even a Volkswagen, but the 9D is no Volkswagen. So, also about the aura. You can all read about the aura. Yeah? So there's a lot of differences between the systems. And this is what I wanted to show you. This is also the case with the Virus Explorer and the Aura commandments. Yeah, it's totally different from a 9D poor quality. So this is it. Now you have your choice. Be wise. Go to the forum. Yeah, and here you can also read about SCH and other companies, about the software errors. It's no joke. People from all over the world, yeah, are reporting the poor quality of the AD and the Metapathia of other manufacturers. They do not develop, yeah? They only sell. But they sell software which is already 10 or 15 years old. We, on the other hand, with our factory, we develop, and we are intuitive, and we are also the inventor of the famous ISHA quantum meter black box, from which you can also see a demo in the demonstration on YouTube. Yeah. From the multi-power zapper, which works for only $285, while other systems of $10,000 do not work. After 35 years of research, ours work. So go to the web shop, register, yeah, and make sure you're gonna learn and you're gonna use it the right way. Have a wonderful time coming. This is it for today.